Borders and prints are easy to add. There's a couple ways you can do that. So we're going to show you how to do that in this video. First way is to pick a size container, and then just over here on the right in your options, click this button here to apply a border to all the images in that container size. But what if you don't want a border on all your images? Oh, and you can also click that to take that off. So we'll leave that on. What if you have a size where you don't want a border on everything, you want it on just one image? You can do that easily as well. Picking the image you want by scrolling through, you go down to the bottom and you can add a border, and you'll see if I keep scrolling, it only applies to that one image. What if you have a situation where you, for some reason, need a different color border? You can also do that. So we're going to add an image into our 8x10 here, and we're going to apply a border. But now let's say we want a different color for that. Click here on the stroke styles and go over here and choose a different color. For simplicity, let's say we just want that black, and then we apply to selected photo, and now you'll see I've got a black border on that image. So borders are easy to do, quite flexible, and you can play around with that and see where you get to.